Hi there users, this is Miss Spell and I'm going to teach you how to use me correctly. Within my program there is a search box and a submit button. In the search box, enter the web page that you want me to check for spelling errors. You'll need to enter one page at a time. For example, if your website is 5 pages long, you would need to enter 5 pages into my program to check your entire website. Next, I'll race over to your site and scan it for errors. You will then see the results page. For the free version, I will show you exactly how many spelling errors I found on your website. Then, I will also show you exactly what those mistakes are and how to fix them if you have chosen the paid version. Don't worry if you see errors listed incorrectly. These could be a range of things, including words used by your website's creator or even names of pets or people, for example. Next, identify which of my mistakes are accurate and then correct those mistakes on your website. Use the Go Back button on the bottom of the results page to start over. And that's it. Enjoy my program.